Hello friends, in this video we shall talk about context processor in Django. So then what is context processor? Actually context processor is just a Python function which accepts a HTTP request and it always returns a dictionary which is added to the template context. So there are already inbuilt context processor. So let me show you the inbuilt context processor which we have, and there is a project with name Django tutorial which I have created, and let me go to settings.py file, and if you just go to the templates, just go to the templates and just examine here, and under options you can see that there are context processors which are already available here, and these context processors are inbuilt by Django, and it contains some functions which are all are displayed in all templates which are available in all the templates. So functions added here are uh, automatically added to the template context. So we can also create a custom context processor which will return a function, the output of which will be available in all the templates. So let us examine how we can create our own context processor. For this, just go to your app. I have one app, test1 underscore app, and in this you need to create a file with any name. Just give any name which you like, and I am typing here context underscore processor, though you can give any name. So I shall access a model from my app, test1 underscore app dot models, and I shall import one articles model which contains articles. Just let me show you the model. So this contains articles. This have the full select title, description, whether the article is published or not. So these are some few fields here. So let me move to our context processor, and we shall use these articles model to create our context processor. So let us define a Python function and type any name, any meaningful name, and I shall type get underscore titles, and as I already said, the function will accept a request. So it will require accept HTTP request. You can also type a comment here, returns a dick of titles. So let us access our articles model, and let me use a filter method. These are ORM method, and is underscore published. We shall access the articles which are actually published by the users, and you can type all here, and you can also type ordered by ID. The latest records will be up minus ID. So after that you can just return titles in a dictionary. So just type here type published underscore titles, or any name, any meaningful name depending on the situation, depending on your project, and just type titles here, and this we have created our context processor, though this returns the titles, all the information of the articles, you can get anything from this dictionary key published underscore titles related to the records in the model articles. So you need to tell Django that you have already created a context processor. So just go to settings.py and add this settings here, test1 underscore app. Then we have the context underscore processor, and we have the function name as get underscore titles, and just copy here and you can just paste here. So you can see that we have already uh, added the processor to the template engine, to the Django template engine. So this processor will be available in the all the templates. So you need to use this key to access the information which is available in the articles. So just go to my site, and this is my site, and I shall put the titles of the articles in the header, in the top header I shall put it there. So for this I shall move to the templates and test one underscore app. I shall go to header.html, which have just one line test site header, which is already displayed here, test site header. So in this we shall do some settings, and just I shall type for t in publish underscore titles, and just and for, it is a for loop, and for, and we need to add a HTML here so that our titles get displayed. We shall display the titles of our articles here, and here we shall put the HTML li elements here, and we shall have t dot title here, and we need this is this is the required HTML setting which we need here, and just refresh the page, and you can see that that one title has been displayed here. So if you want you can improve the layout also. We can just type here style, and we can type here display inline, so a horizontal list is created. So just you can see that a horizontal list will be created here, and we can add more published articles here. Just we can publish more articles, and just you can also publish this one, and you can see that heading has already come here. So you can see that whether we go to any page, and the heading will be always displayed here, and these settings will be available to all templates, or you can any template you can use these settings to display your articles, to display the information which is already in your context processor function. I think you have understood the use of the context processor. So it is very useful in Django. So we can also improve our HTML. We can also add links here, so that we can just clicking on the title link, we can move to the page which contains the description of that article depending on the title. So if you like my video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.